Do you know what that balloon was? What was inside it? The balloon contained all the misunderstandings which we all have in ourselves since a very long time. We are misunderstood by telling ourselves that we won't be able to do this particular thing in our life because we are not capable enough or we do not have potential to achieve success or to achieve great things in our life. We are also misunderstood by telling ourselves that we will fail after trying this new thing out in our life, or we won't be able to get out of our comfort zone and make new friends. So, these are all the misunderstandings which we all have in ourselves that ultimately results in not believing in ourselves. So, I want all of you to burst this balloon of misunderstandings exactly the way I did it. And it's actually true because just imagine spending all of your day making so many decisions, right? Which we all do every day. And just after returning back home, you're completely feeling regretful because of all the decisions which you have made. And at that time, I want all of you to just look at the mirror, look at yourself, and just realize one thing, that at the end of the day, nobody is going to be with you. The only person who is going to be with you, who is going to support you, who is going to take a stand for you is only you. So you better believe in yourself. In today's video, we are going to talk about some things which by implementing you can start believing in yourself. And I mean, why not? Believing yourself is the most important thing, and everyone should actually believe themselves. So, yeah, I hope that you will like this video, you will enjoy this video, and you will learn a lot from it. Nowadays, I have seen this thing a lot. We set very unrealistic goals for ourselves, and ultimately, it results in overthinking and just self doubting ourselves. You know why this happens? Because when you set an unrealistic goal for yourself, there is a very high probability of chance of failure. And this is the reason why you end up just overthinking and just self doubting yourself. So it's very important to set realistic goals. Okay, so if I would like to give you an example here, then just think that there is a person who wants to quit drinking, and he is a continuous drinker, by the way. And one day he just decides that he wants to quit drinking. According to you, is it going to happen? Because according to me, I don't think that it will happen or he would be able to achieve that, because he's a continuous drinker. He just can't one day decide to नहीं अब तो मैं नहीं करूँगा, अब तो मैं drink नहीं करूँगा, and he'll able to achieve it. No, it's not a realistic goal. On the other hand, a realistic goal looks like that, okay, tomorrow I won't drink and the day after it I won't drink. So there is a possibility, there are possibilities, there are chances that he would be able to achieve it at least someday. So I want you, all of you also, that whenever you want to achieve something in your life, always set realistic goals. Realistic goals can benefit you in many ways. For example, realistic goals can really help you keep motivated. It will also increase your focus and your motivation in your life. It also empowers progress. And one more thing is that realistic goals really builds your confidence up, because just like imagine that when you set ambitious goals for yourself, at the end of the day you have a sense of purpose in your life by setting those ambitious goals. And you know what happens, it's very easier to work when you know that how you want to work and where you want to work. And जब फिर ये जो गोल्स आप सेट कर रहे हो वो जब अकम्प्लिश होते हैं, पूरे होते हैं, देन जो कॉन्फिडेंस में बूस्ट मिलता है, लाइक इट रियली बिल्ड्स योर कॉन्फिडेंस अप. So it's very important to set realistic goal as it has so many benefits. I know, okay, I know that we do procrastinate a lot. And do you have an idea that how it affects our life? Like literally, it affects our life so much. You know how? Okay, so for example, you have promised your manager that you will submit a project on Tuesday and you don't complete it, and so you keep on delaying it, and you just tell them that you will submit it on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and just end up not submitting it. You know how huge it has an impact on your life? Because it doesn't seem like, but if I will tell you, you'll get shocked. Guys, firstly, it will lower your self-esteem, it will lower your confidence, and also not only confidence on your things but in yourself. It will lower your confidence in yourself, and what's more worst thing than this, इससे ज़्यादा और क्या बुरा हो सकता है? बिकॉज ये अभी इतनी इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं लगती है चीजें, बट जैसे जैसे वो बिल्डअप होते जाता है ना, इट गेट्स वर्स. Like literally you would come up to a stage where you'll feel like that you are not capable enough, you're not capable enough of finishing things on time. Can you imagine how worse it is? It is very worse. And also people around you will also not trust you. वो तो होगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि अगर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अगर आप खुद पे ट्रस्ट नहीं रख रहे हो तो वो क्यों ही रखेंगे? They'll feel like, no, this person doesn't finishes his work on time, then what's the point of giving him new work? They'll not trust on you. So it's a very, very, very big deal, guys. Don't take it for granted. So to avoid procrastination, I want you all to follow 3 steps. The first step is to break down larger tasks into smaller tasks, so that you would be able to work on it more efficiently. The second step which I want you all to do is to set realistic deadlines. See guys, deadlines अगर आप खुद को दे रहे हो ना, तो वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा firstly, and the second thing is कि अगर एक पर्टिकुलर डेडलाइन है तो आप उसके पहले ही आपका काम कर लोगे, because you know that you have to complete it before this deadline, so it will really help you. It's very important, guys. So what I want you all to do in this is to make a list of tasks and activities which you want to do in that particular day according to your timing. So for example, you can also make a to-do list for yourself. So either you can do it in the morning, or या फिर आप एक दिन पहले रात में भी कर सकते हो. So what it will do is that it will give you a sense of purpose in your day. Like you would be able to know that what things you want to do in that day, what things you want to finish on that day, and what things you want to submit it. And also you can include the deadline वाला part जो मैंने procrastination में बोला, because you would be able to know that before this deadline I have to complete this work, so you can manage it according to it, and you can mention it in your to-do list. So it's very important, guys. It will help you a lot. Please manage your time. It's very important. Don't waste it, because see, and this is also one of the reason that we don't believe in ourselves, because we don't manage our time. We don't know what to do, what we want to do, because it's all in our head. Like होता है ना ऐसे कि कभी हमारे दिमाग में होता है हमें करना क्या है, but we are not able to implement it. So that is also a very big reason of, not trusting yourself. So don't waste your time, manage your time. बहुत चीजें होती है जो आप कर सकते हो, बट जस्ट आप वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो उसकी वजह से हो नहीं पा रही है, एंड एट द एंड आप ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, एंड इट इज द वर्स्ट थिंग. प्लीज गाइस, डोंट बी हार्श टू योरसेल्फ. डोंट डू दिस थिंग. जस्ट ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ, जस्ट मैनेज योर टाइम, एंड it's a saying that our thoughts shape our reality. And you know what are our thoughts? हमारे thoughts क्या आपको पता है? हमारे thoughts वो चीज़ें हैं जो हम हमारे mind को feed करते हैं. And you know how you feed it? You feed it in such a way, it gets feeded in you in such a way by what kind of people you are hanging out with, what type of conversation you are having around, what kind of books you are reading. Each and every minute detail matters, and each and minute detail which you are seeing, which you are observing, which you are doing in your actions, in anything, ultimately you are feeding it to your mind. And you know what the biggest thing in this is? that जो भी आप चीजें आपको फीड कर रहे हो, जो भी आप आपकी चीजें आपके दिमाग में रख रहे हो, आप उसी के अकॉर्डिंग काम करते हो, आप उसी के अकॉर्डिंग एक्शंस लेते हो, आप उसी के अकॉर्डिंग सोचते हो. सो हाउ इज इट नॉट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग? it's very important. And you know, जब हम एक अच्छे सर्कल में होते हैं या फिर हम जब अच्छे कॉन्वर्जेशंस करते हैं या जब we be around positive energies, then we work according to it. It's very true that we work according to it. फिर हमारे भी thoughts वैसे हो जाते हैं, हमारे thoughts में भी फिर वही चीजें होती है. So you need to have a control on what things you have to feed to your mind, because it's very important, because you are going to work according to it. So if you will be full of negative energies in your mind, if you will be full of नहीं mind तो छोड़ ही दो, अगर आप आजू बाजू में भी सिर्फ negative energies में रहोगे तो आपके mind automatically वो attract करेगी. So you need to decide that what kind of person you want to be. अगर आप negative energies में रहोगे तो how are you going to trust yourself, right? Do you understand it now? So it's very important that you should have a control on what you are feeding to your mind, what you are feeding to your body, what you are feeding to your soul, each and everything. So I hope that all of you have understood the things which I have talked about in this video. I hope that you will now finally start to believe in yourself, because it's high time now. Like, it's a very high time that you should start to believe in yourself. And always remember the thing which I have talked about in the starting of this video, is that the one person who is going to be with you at the end of the day is you. So always take care of yourself, and then फिर बाकी लोगों की care करो. So I hope that you will enjoy it and you will learn something from it. And also, if anyone has any doubts, then they can always drop a comment. I always read to those comments. I answer it back because I love it. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.